You are probably wondering, can I really check fuel pressure on my car in 1 minute? And the answer is, yes you can, on some cars and trucks that have a schrader valve on the fuel rail. But if not, you can still check the fuel pressure for $1 or less on most cars and trucks, and I'll show you how. A schrader valve on the fuel rail looks like and works like the same thing as the valve stem that you find on a car or a bicycle tire. So the same way that you check the air pressure on a car or a bike, you can check the fuel pressure on your car in just 1 minute, if the air pressure gauge fits. An air pressure gauge can be bought for $1 or less at many discount stores. If it does not fit, then you can still check your fuel pressure for free. You can use a fuel pressure diagnostic kit from AutoZone for free. It will have the adapters, the fittings, the hoses that you need. All you need to do is go to the counter, tell them that you wish to borrow the fuel pressure diagnostic kit, pay the deposit, and then when you return it to any AutoZone within 90 days, they will give you every penny of your deposit back. How much deposit do you need? Well, I found that the deposit ends up being what it would cost to buy. If you just want to see if your fuel pump is working, well then that is even easier. If you have a schrader valve of some sort, just use a screwdriver or something and see if there's any pressure in it. Just make sure that you wrap something around it and wear safety glasses so it does not spray fuel into your eyes. You can also unscrew the valve core from the inside and then put one end of a hose over it and the other end of the hose into a jar or can to see if the fuel pump is pumping fuel. If you do not have a schrader valve, then you can take the fuel line apart somewhere else and do the same thing. I hope that this video helped you, or at least gave you some ideas. And please subscribe so you'll be notified of my new videos that are coming soon.